Good morning, everyone. So far, you understand various types of FACS controllers, particularly shunt connected devices, that is SVC, static wire compensator, and STATCOM, static shunt compensator, static synchronous shunt compensator, and their power circuits as well as control circuits. The control of TSC TCR type, FC TCR type SVCs, as well as the internal control schemes of STATCOM. In summary, in conclusion of shunt controllers, we will summarize the various aspects of SVC and STATCOM. In summary, we will explore each point, that is, very first one, VI characteristics, second one, VQ characteristics, third one, transient stability improvement, and fourth one, operating time. Last one, preferably will consider the size of the compensator. All these points we will discuss in detail, and we will try to discriminate between these two controllers, SVC and STATCOM. Coming to the VI characteristics, very briefly I will explain. After that we will go through the characteristics as well as equations. Very first one, VI characteristics, voltage and current characteristics. In the linear operating region, SVC and STATCOM both will offer similar type of characteristics, and hence for steady state operation and control you can choose any one of them. During fault conditions and disturbed conditions, both are not similar. SVC, the current injected by the SVC to the system is proportional to square of the voltage in case of SVC. Therefore, when the operating voltage is reduced during fault conditions, example let us say 0.4, 0.5 like that, in that condition it is proportional to V square. Whereas in STATCOM, if you see the VI characteristics, it is independent of system operating voltage. Either it is 0.4, 0.5 or 1.1, the current injected by the STATCOM is independent of system operating voltage. That is the major advantage of STATCOM. Coming to the VI characteristics. Similarly, VQ characteristics. VQ characteristics, SVC VQ characteristics are the reactive power injected by the SVC, Q is equal to V square by Xc. Generally, SVC will inject the reactive power by changing its susceptance with rapid adjustment of the firing angle control of thyristors. Whereas in STATCOM, the reactive power injected by the STATCOM can be controlled by the internal control of switches, GTOs or IGBTs. Now let me focus on each one of them. These are the VI characteristics of STATCOM and SVC. Let us look at them. At point 2, operating voltage point 2, the current injected is same as that of the current injected at point 9 in case of STATCOM. In case of SVC, it is very low at point 2. At point 8, it is very high. Therefore, the current injected is different. And allowed band of regulation, both are similar, this one and this one, left side and right side. Around 1 pu operating voltage, the characteristics of both are similar. Next one, VQ characteristics. In VQ characteristics, the Q injected by the STATCOM at point 2, it is proportional to operating voltage. The Q injected by the SVC is proportional to square of the voltage. So therefore, it is non-linear. At low voltages, it is very low. During high voltages, it is similar to that of STATCOM. So therefore, during transient disturbed conditions, the performance of the STATCOM is much more superior than that of the SVC. Coming to the transient stability of STATCOM and SVC, the dotted line in both the figure 1 and 2, that is figure A and B, is the power angle curve without any compensator. In STATCOM, the maximum angle supported by the STATCOM is more than that of the SVC, and by applying equal area criterion in figure A, the hatched portion A1 is equal to A2 and available margin is more here in case of STATCOM. Whereas in figure B, applying equal area criteria, the available margin is very low compared to STATCOM, and hence for improving transient stability of the system, the STATCOM is much more superior than that of the SVC, and the angle provided by the STATCOM, the power angle, if you see, look at the power angle curve, the angle margin provided by the STATCOM is more than that of the SVC. Coming to the operating time and response of the SVC and STATCOM. So SVC is comprised of TCR and TSC. The TSC operating time is 2.7 milliseconds and the TSC operating time is 5.5 milliseconds, whereas STATCOM converter based controller operating time is very low, that is 0.5 milliseconds, and hence coming to the dynamic performance of the SPC and STATCOM is much more superior to that of the SPC. Generally STATCOM is the latest device in fax devices, whereas SPC is the early device. So therefore you can easily understand that STATCOM is much more superior than that of the SPC. Last point, the physical sizes and installation of the SPC and STATCOM. In SPC, in addition to switches, thyristors as used as switches, and in addition to thyristors, we have to provide the variable susceptance with the help of capacitors and inductors combination, whereas in STATCOM the operating switches are IGBTs or GTOs. Internally we can control the reactive power support by the STATCOM by using different methods, PWM control or direct DC voltage control, that is indirect control. By using internal control, two methods we can change the reactive power supported by the STATCOM, and they will use only switches. Along with the switches, one small capacitor is connected in order to support the internal losses of the STATCOM, and hence the size of the STATCOM is lower than that of the SPC, around 30%, and hence with a smaller area you can build the STATCOM of same capacity. So therefore, in summary, we can conclude that STATCOM is offering much more advantages than that of the SPC. But SPC is somewhat cheaper than STATCOM, and control is also easy. For steady state operation as well as during base load operations as well as intermediate loads, we will prefer the SPC, whereas in dynamic conditions, fault conditions, we will prefer the STATCOM than the SPC. So I will stop here. I will conclude the comparison of STATCOM and SPC here. In next classes we will discuss about series compensators, static series compensators, variable type as well as converter based type. If you have any questions, please raise your questions through WhatsApp group. Thank you.